If you're curious about how to help your donkey be prepared for the saddle, whether your donkey is wild or domestic, this video is for you. We're going to be working with wild donkey Daphne, and here we're going to prepare her for the saddle. I'm going to give you some quick tips that you can use out in the field while you're working with your own donkey. We ride what we lead, so get that groundwork going really well. Is your donkey willing to say yes to you, or are they nervous and hesitant? Make the questions you want them to answer easy to say yes to. We don't want them to freeze or run off, and all the things that we do are going to help with either one. We're going to do lots of stuff above them. So we got that groundwork first. Doing work above them is part of that groundwork. When we start introducing the saddle, we're going to go slow. We're always watching for how your donkey feels as we're going. Give them lots of love, guys. Donkeys really respond well to love. They also need time to soak, to process what we're doing. Now, I like to use pay for them when I'm introducing anything new like this. It just helps keep their mind focused on what I'm doing while they're still learning about accepting weight or the saddle. When I'm introducing the saddle, I like to do it without them being tied up, because if they feel like they need to move their feet, I want them to be able to. This way, if they move their feet, I can just roll their hinds because I want to practice that anyways. They're going to be fearful of things, and that's okay within limitations, guys. That's how they're going to learn good coping skills. They feel a little bit nervous, then we are with them and we're part of them feeling good. They're going to associate feeling good with us no matter what we're doing. Remember, this is a process and it takes time. Give them love, and then mounting them. We need to be able to do it from both sides. Once you get up there, pet them and love on them everywhere. We want them to be comfortable with all that movement above them. Remember, we started on the fence so that they would get used to us being above them. On the fence, you can be taking your jacket on and off, hay bags, water bottles, all of that stuff. SCAP, guys, this is my favorite acronym. We use it a lot around here. Once you're up there, pet on them a lot. You see that she's not under bridle, and that's because she's not been taught how to do that. That's a whole nother process. So right now we're going to work on flexing and disengaging. The bridle, getting them used to it, is a whole separate stage. Now you see with the stirrup there, we're going to teach them how to flex and disengage on the ground before we start doing it in the saddle. We want them to understand everything that we're doing under saddle from the ground first. Now we get that forward movement. That's super exciting. Give them a lot of praise. We don't need them to hold anything right now. We don't need them to walk without stopping. We don't need them to trot and without stopping. Anything you can get just a step is good when we start off. Going to a clinic is a great way to test all of the skills that you've been working on at home. And it's great to get them out of their familiar surroundings to practice. There, she's moving her hind end a little bit, and that is a good start. Remember, all of this is introducing what we want to them. And there she was just waiting for a full disengaging. Remember, just go have fun with this stuff and then practice, lots of practice. We're always going to be practicing everything that we do on the ground, under saddle, and then have fun with them. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is part of a longer video, and this video here is meant to help everybody who's out there just wanting to have something quick to reference while you're working with your own donkey. Let me know if you like the long or short version.